report and from the NPA as to why they've got such a low clearance rate for economic crimes, particularly in light of the fact that most of the people who get brought to court or arrested for economic crimes are political elites. We are all familiar, and members opposite have also highlighted the scourge of catch and release. So what explanation is there for this very low clearance rate? What was also missing from the report is an explanation as to why the NPA has a special unit in what they call the Office of the President. Constitutionally, they're meant to be independent and not subject to anybody's control, especially not the executive. So we wanted to see in that report an explanation as to why that unconstitutional unit exists and why the NPA uses it and what it's specifically deployed for. We also saw a concerning statistic around the lack of an explanation as to why trials take so long. We can only highlight one example of Honorable Job Sikala. Over 520 days of trial. What explanation is there for a simple public order offense, what they allege to be a public order defense, to be dealt with over such a long period? There was no explanation in the report as to why trials are taking this long. And so what we expect from the NPA is constitutional conduct. Like any other institution, they are bound by the provisions of Section 46. They have a duty to uphold the Constitution, to uphold the rights of accused persons. You saw the NPA report was manifestly silent on the rights of accused persons, which they have a duty to uphold. And we would have wanted to see better qualitative analysis on that aspect. Just throwing in a few bar graphs, 2 sentences, and recommendations that don't even address, for example, the low clearance rate on economic crimes simply does not cut it. The NPA's report falls short of the constitutional standard. Thank you.